Hello Golem Network and welcome to the SDK intro video. My name is Łukasz Piłatowski and I'm Technical Product Owner in Golem Network. In the past, I've been working on products and SDKs mostly in a startup environment. In Golem, my main priority is to define roadmaps and goals for SDK team, as well as dive into the code, prepare some fixes and maybe proof of concepts as well. But what I'm most excited about is working with you, Golem community, to actively contribute and grow together. My main goal is to direct the SDK development to make creators' lives easier. And if you're one of them too, I hope that our efforts will result in a great experience of discovering and creating the apps of tomorrow on Golem. Our key focus points are to make the entry point level low enough so that developers with different backgrounds and experiences can still use our platform. Is to create different ways of accessing Golem so that it's more adjusted to your workflow and needs. Is to lower the complexity level on simple use cases and to make the complex use cases implementable. And last but not least is to cooperate with you and communicate current and future plans so that you can leverage all the benefits that Golem brings. We have opened 4 different Discord channels, all that serves this purpose. SDK intro, where you can find this video, as well as some useful starting points and documentation links. SDK discussion, where you can discuss your ideas or issues with our internal team or our community. SDK announcements, where we share most important updates as well as reward programs we would like you to participate in. And SDK rewards as our Hall of Fame for rewarded users. I'll see you on Discord.